I'm sharing some of the social media profiles which are used for scamming people. These profiles are created by the scammers by using real American military soldiers' photo and videos. The real soldier in the photo may not know that his identity is used for hurting people emotionally, stealing money from them, and destroying lives. This is a social media scammer. He has stolen identity of military soldier. He scammed a Nepali woman about $60,000 in the United States. She met him in a social media. He told her his mother is from Nepal, father is from Philippines, and both died in a car accident. His wife died with cancer 3 years ago. His son studies in a boarding school in the United Kingdom. He has no friends and family members in the United States, and he is deployed to Syria. He requested her to receive his military important documents in her address. She refused it first, but he kept on requesting, so she agreed. Once document arrived at the airport, so-called agent called her for $5,000 to release the document. And so on, he made many excuses to get more and more money from her. When she refused to give the money, they gave her death threat. They created a nightmare for her. She was distressed so much she wanted to kill herself. He is a wolf in a sheep's clothing. He is ruthless monster who steals money from hard-working people. He is still active in different social medias. If this person is in your friend list and you're talking to him, please report the profile and block him. And please share this video among your friends and family members. Stay safe from scammers.